welcome back to Sincerely Legenia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious, smoky, flavorful keto meatballs. They are fantastic, guys. I cannot wait for you to give them a try. Guys, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for joining me today. I would love for you to become a part of the Sincerely Legenia family. So if you like this video, then consider subscribing. Just click the subscription button below and the notification bell right next to it. Guys, let's get on into this recipe. These meatballs are oh so good, and I cannot wait for you guys to give them a try. Okay, everyone, for our chicken meatballs, to get started, I'm going to first saute my onions. And what I'm going to do for a little added flavor is I'm going to saute them in a little bit of bacon oil here, just for a little added flavor. All right. And then we're going to add these to the skillet. I'm going to add them to the skillet, and then we're going to let them cool. All right, guys, and because our bacon already has so much salt in it, I'm not going to add salt to this layer, but I am going to add some black pepper. And I'm going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of oregano. And that's all I'm going to add to that. I'm going to mix this in. I want that taste, that oregano taste, going all through my onions. And then it's going to flavor our ground chicken nicely. It already smells good. The smell of that bacon grease and the oregano with these onions. Oh my goodness, it smells divine, guys. It really does. Guys, the onions have finished and they have cooled now, so I'm going to sit them over here and let them finish cooling. And in the meantime, let's go ahead and get our chicken meatballs together. Let's go ahead and season them. All right, while our onions are cooling, we are going to season our ground chicken, and I'm going to season it with, you know it, Sincerely Legenia all-purpose seasoning. All right, guys, so I'm going to add my seasoning to this. Good stuff.
Okay, guys, I'm going to stop the video right here. For some reason, my camera did not record me adding in the 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Make sure you add in right here 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika.
All right, and we're also going to add some red pepper flakes to this, guys. Pepper flakes going in. And now we're going to go in with our onions that we sauteed. We're going to add those on in the bowl. Now I'm going to go in and start to mix this together. Okay, guys, so once I mixed all the mixture together, I'm rolling out my meatballs now, and let me let you see the size. They're about an inch, okay? They're about an inch around. And so I'm gonna lay them out over a lined baking sheet, and I've lined my baking sheet with nonstick foil as opposed to parchment paper. So the nonstick foil works better for me in this instance. So I'm just going to roll these out until they're all done, and then we're gonna put these in a 375-degree oven. All right, everybody, I've got my chicken meatballs ready to go into a 375-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Okay, let's get our meatballs out of the oven. They are smelling so fabulous. Look at those. Got my smoky keto chicken meatballs, and I've got it along with some of the homemade keto and low carb barbecue sauce that I told you guys about. You would have already seen that video. It's right before this one. Go and check it out if you have not seen that video. The barbecue sauce is divine, and it's going to be divine with these meatballs. So I'm going to go ahead and give them a taste. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, so good. These meatballs have a bit of a kick to them. They have that smokiness from the smoked paprika. So delicious. And then alongside with this keto low carb barbecue sauce, it is a perfect pairing. These are great to have as an entree and excellent as an appetizer at your next gathering. So guys, you've got to check this recipe out at sincerelylegenia.com. These are definitely a keeper. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. These meatballs are delicious and packed with flavor. You guys are going to absolutely love them. Thank you for joining me today. It is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and prosperous day today. And I'm going to talk to you in the next video right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye for now.